Hi guys, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you 3 methods to promote your Fiverr gig for free. I'm guessing people who are watching this video are either Fiverr beginners or struggling to make sales on Fiverr. So you don't have money to invest in promotion and you are looking for free solutions. Like all free solutions, for this one too, it takes time, it takes work, it takes persistence. If you don't invest those 3 things, you won't succeed. So method number 1 is forum posting. Find related forums in your niche, and join all of those forums and start contributing. To find related forums, simply go on Google and type your keyword. Let's say we are in dog niche, we'll type dog plus forum. And all of these are dog related forums. Join those forums and start contributing. I'm in the internet marketing niche, so I joined forums like Warrior Forum, Digital Point Forum, Black Hat World Forum, and so on and so on. You are not allowed directly to link to your Fiverr gig in those forums, but you can post link in your signature. When you join those forums, start contributing, start answering other people's questions, join discussions. Best way to promote your link in signature is to start a thread. But don't start a thread just to get clicks to your link by asking some stupid questions, because you will be banned. Best way to do that is to actually publish article. What do I mean? Write a good, useful article, but instead of publishing that article on your blog or website, publish it on that forum. Something like this guy actually did. He wrote a very good, very informative, useful article about YouTube video ranking. And when you scroll down, he actually has 2 links in his signature. And look, 7 people said thank you. Many people asked questions, joined the discussion, and when we go back, we will see 1,441 people viewed this thread. So 400 people actually read this article, and at least 30 or 40 of those people clicked on his link in signature, and those are 30-40 potential buyers. But you cannot post one article on several forums. You can publish only one article only on one forum. And if you do this every day, post on all of these forums, answer other people's questions, join discussions, publish articles, within 30 days you will start getting sales. Like I said, it takes time, it takes work, but this will get you sales. So that is method number 1. Method number 2 is start posting in Facebook groups. Go on Facebook and find related Facebook groups. Let's say dog. Click on groups and join all of these dog related groups. In first 5 or 10 days, do not promote anything. Simply help people, contribute to these groups, answer other people's questions, join discussions. After 5 or 10 days, then you can start promoting your Fiverr gig. But don't just post a link to your Fiverr gig saying something like, check out my gig. No, that is against the group rules. You actually wish to contribute, to give people a reason to click on that link, to visit your Fiverr gig. Best way to sell anything on internet is actually making videos. You should do some same thing like these big marketers do. Make a video showing people how to do something manually and how will that benefit to them, and then pitch them your product. Let's say you are selling some kind of software. Make a video showing people how to do something manually then how will that benefit to them? And then show them how to use your software to do that automatically and save time and work. And add a link in description of that video, and you can publish that video in all of the groups, and you will start getting sales from Facebook. So that is method number 2. Method number 3 is actually going on YouTube and commenting on related YouTube videos. Simply go on YouTube and find related videos in your niche. If possible, most recent videos that are going viral, and leave a comment. But you cannot leave a link in that comment, because in 90% of cases YouTube consider those comments as spam, and your comment won't be visible to anybody except to you. But you can do what I did. Now, I'm here on Franklin Hatchett video he published in June, actually May 30, 2019, and he was talking about how to promote product on Pinterest. So when you scroll down, this is actually me, and I said, or you can pay me to repin your pin to my 82,000 organic followers, and add smiley. And look, people actually ask how they can contact me because they are interested in buying my gig. And Pinterest marketing is not a big niche. Imagine doing this in, for example, Instagram marketing. At least 2 or 3 videos every week go viral in Instagram marketing. So if you do this on those videos, you can get 5, 6, 10 sales every week just by commenting on YouTube videos. It is very important to be among the first people who will comment on that video, because in first 24 hours that video will get, let's say, 20,000 views. In next 24 hours it will get 10,000 views. In next 24 hours it will get 5,000 views. So in first 3 days that video will get 35,000 views. If you are among the first people who commented on that video, potentially 35,000 people will see your comment. And you will get orders just by commenting on YouTube videos. So those are the 3 methods. You only need to do this for a few months until you get enough sales and enough positive reviews. Then Fiverr will actually promote your gigs for free for you, so you don't have to do any promotion. And you will start getting even more sales, and you will get $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 a month just by working on Fiverr. So those are the 3 methods to promote your Fiverr gig for free. I hope you find this useful. If you do, subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.